Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many WhatsApp users face. So, imagine this. You have WhatsApp on both your iPhone and MacBook, but suddenly it stops opening on your MacBook. Frustrating, right? You've tried restarting your Mac, but WhatsApp just won't load. It gets stuck on the loading page, which stays white with no progress. Now, what can we do about this pesky problem? In terms of the solution, if you're wondering whether you'll lose your contacts and message threads if you delete and reinstall WhatsApp on your MacBook, fear not. The solution is simple. You won't lose any of your contacts. It's possible that the sync between your Mac and iPhone got interrupted, causing this issue. All you need to do is follow the procedure to resync your Mac with your phone. This should get WhatsApp up and running smoothly again in no time. To wrap things up, always remember that a simple resync can often solve the most stubborn tech problems. So, if you're facing issues with WhatsApp on your MacBook, don't panic. Just follow the steps to resync your devices, and you'll be back to chatting with your friends in no time. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.